Many people think that fluency is speaking fast. But actually they do not realize that fluency is not speaking fast, but fluency is continuity of speech without any hindrances, objections, obstructions, pauses and breaks. The continuity of speech is called fluency. Fluency can be, slow, moderate and high. Okay? Or slow, moderate and fast. For example, you can say like this. Yesterday I went to the market. This is slow. Yesterday I went to the market. Yesterday I went to the market. So this is fast. So fluency can be any way. It can be slow, it can be moderate, it can be fast. That doesn't matter. But the other way, fluency is not there. Then how they will speak? Yesterday I went to the market. So this is not fluent. This is not fluency. Fluency means continuity of speech. Yesterday I went to the market. Without it. So word after word after word after word until the end we go. Until and unless there is a full stop or a comma, we are not going to stop. That is called fluency. Accuracy. Accuracy. You people have to focus on accuracy. Now what is accuracy? Accuracy means the correctness, perfection or correctness. Activity can be measured in 3 different ways. Number 1, grammatical accuracy. If you take grammatical aspects, how correct is it? Is it 100% correct? For example, many students say like this. He have completed the job. He have completed the job. It's not he have completed the job, it is he has completed the job. He, she and it we use has. For all the others we use have. I have completed the job. He has completed the job. But many people say he have completed the job. The next one. Some people say like this. There is some books. There is some books. They start saying there is. Then afterwards they say some books or 4 books. There are 4 books. Or you can say 4 books are there. Some people say like this. There are 4 books are there. So there are 4 books are there. So this is not grammatically correct. You can say there are 4 books or 4 books are there. But if you say there is 4 books, that is wrong. So you have to be very careful how you are speaking. So accuracy related to grammar. The next one, accuracy related to vocabulary. What sorts of words are you using? The way how you are presenting is very important. Vocabulary. Use proper vocabulary. You can say, for example in writing, you can say, unable to control urine. Unable to control urine. When you are doing speaking test, there you can say, your child is not able to control urine. Controlling urine is not possible. Okay, so you can tell like that. But if you are writing a letter, you don't need to say control urine. Okay, you can say incontinence, urinary incontinence. So which is accurate in which instant you have to understand. If you tell the same urinary incontinence to a normal patient, he will not understand. So better don't tell. Here, using the words urinary incontinence to a patient, with a patient, it's not, suitable. It's not apt, it's not correct. Because the patient will not understand. He will be afraid. He will be tensed. What is this big words you are telling? He will be anxious and worried. But when you are doing a writing test, there you can definitely write urinary incontinence. Why? Because you are writing to a medical professional. So medical professional can definitely understand what you are saying. So you need not expect he is not able to control his urine. You can directly say he has a problem. What is the problem? Urinary incontinence has been observed. Okay. So this is the way how you are. This is vocabulary. For example, everyone says good, 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 good for everything. You can say excellent. Okay. Acceptable. Outstanding. Marvelous. Stunning. Stupefying. Like this, many different words are there. You can use all those words. Why do you want to say everywhere good? Okay. So you have to use vocabulary selectively. That's vocabulary. Then pronunciation. Pronunciation. Yesterday I asked one doctor, what is the pronunciation of? Okay. SCHIZOPHRENIA. One doctor. She said schizophrenia. Schizophrenia. Some people say schizophrenia. Some people say schizophrenia. Some people say lot of pronunciation. Okay, differences. But the actual pronunciation is schizophrenia. Schizophrenia. So pronunciation, it matters a lot. It's a schizophrenia, not a schizophrenia or schizophrenia. Okay, it's a schizophrenia. Schizophrenia, skit. S-K-I-T, skit. K-I-T, kit. Skit. Sa. S-A, sa. Phrenia. Schizophrenia. Schizophrenia. So many people don't know this spelling, pronunciation. So pronunciation should be accurate. If you don't pronounce properly, you lose marks here. So pronunciation, vocabulary and grammar, these are the three components. You have to be very careful. So that's about accuracy.